All right, testing 1, 2. Are we live? Yes. Oh my gosh, we finally did it. We're finally live. Oh my gosh. That was a lot harder than it should have been. A lot harder than it should have been. Okay, there we are. Okay. We're live. About time. I'm going to pause this. Okay, there we go. Let's pause so you guys can't hear all of this. Let's go ahead and send some notifications out. We are live. All right, cool. I think we're live. Is anyone in here yet? There we go. Bottom is not here. Yeah, I agree. We're probably not. All right, make it very clear, guys. I did not actually change the title. I didn't do anything. I didn't make a thumbnail for this. I just saw what's going on in the market. I was in Discord trying to explain my thoughts, and I said, screw it. I'm going to go ahead and just go live instead because I can explain things a lot better. Okay, welcome Business with Brian. Welcome Anthony. Let's talk about the market. Let's talk about what my thoughts are. So this is what my primary bias is right now. I think that we're very close to being done. What I want to see is I want to see a sweep of this low, and then you hold this level. That's what I really want to see. This would be my whale buy zone where I think a lot of people will be trying to buy, a lot of whales, right? So what they're going to do, they're going to force the price down here, sweep this level, activate all those stop losses, activate all the liquidations, all that good stuff. Meanwhile, they have all their bids placed here, which is a very strong level, okay? This is a 3-day solid breaker, okay? We have not tested it yet, and I think it's very important that we haven't tested this yet. That's very important to me because this is a very, very, very clear level, okay? I really I'm very surprised we haven't actually made it all the way down here, but this gives a tremendous opportunity. We only have like $200, less than that. We have less than $200 to go from here down here. This is a prime opportunity, I think, for whales to just push this sucker right down here. Andres, hey, thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. I think I've done a pretty damn good job too. Not everyone agrees, but that's okay. That's okay. No worries. I'm in it with you guys as well. So, yep. We are live. Awesome. So, we're not doing chart requests. I have literally no plan for this. All I'm doing is we're just watching the charts. I'm going to try to give you guys play-by-play on what's going on. So that's all I'm doing right now. So if you're freaking out, if you're scared, if you're like, oh my God, this is crazy, right? This is not the first crash I've went through, and it will not be the last, right? All of these movements, I've been in all of this, okay? So guys, I promise you, we will make it together, okay? All of these massive ups and downs, I've survived, okay? So now if you go back up here to our current price action, like, yeah, it looks scary and stuff, but, like, we will be okay, all right? There's actually a lot of bullishness in the market. I was posting on Discord earlier today, and that's what actually got me to start the stream. I was going on Discord trying to explain what my thoughts are, and, like, there's a lot going on. So, okay, I think we're about to have it really soon. Let's go to a low time frame. So my thought process, we're going to come down here, sweep this, push the price. Oh, we're getting close. Sweep this, push the liquidations right in here, and we're going to hold this level. That's what I want to see right here, right now. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. We're so damn close. Sweep it, mass liquidity, drop the sucker in here. All right, there's a sweep. There's a sweep. Okay, let's keep going. All right, there's a sweep. Come into our buy zone. I want to see this hold. If this doesn't hold, we're looking at 37,000, okay? But I really have a lot of faith this is going to hold, okay? If this doesn't hold, we may get a true old capitulation moment, which is also terrifying and scary at the same time, but wouldn't be the first time, right? All right. Are y'all in the chat? Jump in on YouTube. Y'all, let's do this. All right, sweet. I don't have any alcohol with me. I wish I did. All I've got is my smoothie because, yeah, I need a drink today. All right. There's the sweep. There's a sweep. We have some volume popping in. This is Bitstamp. Bitstamp's okay. I think it was just the one I picked for this chart. I really don't have much of a reasoning for it. Okay, the sweep has officially happened. We actually have new lows in here. You do? I'm so lucky, man. I have a bottle of wine, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if my bias is correct, we come down here, sweep, get a ton of we get a ton of support here, and then bounce the upside. I'm gonna go pop that bottle of wine right now for you guys. So, what about XRP and HBAR? Why, dude? No, I don't care about any chart. If you need to be paying attention to this chart, okay? Bitcoin, this is all you should care about. This will dictate the entire market, okay? Do not stress about any other coin except this right now, okay? The things you look at, Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, DXY, total 2, and total chart. All right, we have officially tapped our level. We have officially tapped our level. Okay. Okay, we've officially tapped it. I really, really, really want to see this hold, okay? If not, it's about to get really, really ugly, okay? Come on. We want this to hold unless you guys want some serious, serious discounts. Okay, we have officially touched 39,000. Okay, it's still very early. Do not stress yet, okay? Okay, we've swept it. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. We can go below it. There's nothing wrong with this, okay? What I want to see, though, is I want to see it come back up here and stay in this area. Okay, we're getting a lot of volume coming in. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Lots of volume, lots of volume. I'm expecting whales to get their bids picked up. That may be what we need right there. This is the true capitulation moment. It's going to be very, very violent. Very violent, okay? We're getting some pretty big swings. Come on, I really want this to be it. But just like the examples I actually posted on there, we actually went below the yearly open, but then we quickly went back above it. So this is okay. We can have it drop below it. That's okay. The important thing is I don't want to see it stay below here for long. And remember, this is a 3-day level. Massive, massive breaker. I really think it's going to hold. That is a beautiful setup with this capitulation candle, right? Or with this clear sweep. I think this will be the one, guys. I really, really do. All right. Come on. All right. Come on, baby. Really want this to hold. Look at this volume. It's starting to really pick up. Let's go to another chart. I'm going to go to the Coinbase chart, see how that one's doing. I guess Binance. Binance is another good one. This is a 3-day level as well. Okay. Let me adjust that just a little bit. Let me get my magnet on. Make sure it's properly on there. Okay. Okay. Can't be the only one who's scared. Why are you scared, man? This is crypto. This is fun. This is like the best adrenaline you will ever have in your life. All right, there we go. This is what we want to see, guys. This is what we want to see. I'm telling you guys, if we start getting a massive wick to the upside, I'm going there, popping my wine, and we are going to have a fantastic, fantastic day. Look at that green candle. Oh, my gosh. No way. Oh, come on, baby. If this is it, you will know. Okay, we don't know yet. We do not know yet. I'm telling you guys, this is a really good sign, though. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Look at the volume pickup. Woo, baby. Oh, come on. We are not holding yet, okay? This looks good, but we're not done yet. Oh, baby. It's not hold yet. I'm telling you guys. It's not hold yet. It's not done. I'm telling. This is a good sign, though. This is a great sign. I'm telling you, these sweeps into support are always amazing opportunities. Okay, it's still way too early, though. Way too early to celebrate. If it's time to celebrate, you will know. Okay, my level. I'll talk about validation points or confirmation soon. But we will know when it's time to celebrate. It's not there yet. Oh, man. Oh, man. Come on, baby. All right, guys. Yeah, there's not much to there's not. So what we can do is I really don't want to move away from this chart right now because this chart is the most important one. But there's also some things to look for. So let's go to a, man, I hate doing that. Let's not go to a lower time frame. Let's see how the DXY is holding up. DXY is dropping. That's good. I want to see DXY dropping. Total 2 is also bouncing. We don't have a major level here, which means that Bitcoin is the one leading the charge. Shorts are increasing, but not by a much. Longs are stable, which is good. I want to see longs going stable. Damn near touch 1 trillion. Oh, baby. This is good. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. I like it, guys. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Look at this. Guys, if I called this, like, holy hell. No way. I'm going to be blown away if I called this sucker. No, no. Andres, it's not time yet. It's not time, but I'm telling you guys, like, you guys are seeing this live, man. I'm telling you guys, I called this while it was happening. We'll see. It's still early. It looks good. But remember, this is only a 5-minute chart, guys. This is only a 5-minute chart. Yeah, if you guys are in my Discord, okay, go to Discord right now, okay? Look at what I posted 30 minutes ago. Look at what I posted 30 minutes ago. This entire deal. It breaks down why I was looking for this, okay? There's a very specific things that I was looking for. I gave comparisons, and honestly, it just hit me, like, no kidding, about an hour ago. I was like, hold on a second. I remember a time back in the day, and I'm going to show you guys real quick. I'm going to come right back to this, I promise, okay? Back in the day, I had this right here, okay? This right here. This level right here. Why did I choose it? Because this is a capitulation candle, okay? And then if you go to the yearly chart, God, it's been so long. Go to the yearly chart, and what I did is I placed this right here, okay? We had our yearly chart set, and what I did is I went to the daily, and I said, guys, what my expectations are is we're going to sweep this capitulation candle, come down here, and find support on the yearly breaker. And I drew a big ol', oops, let's get rid of that. Drew a big ol' deal right here. I can still see the price, guys. I know where it's at right now. Build a big thing right here, just like I just did, okay? Just like I just did. And I said, hey, this is the area they can sweep this low, get this massive support area, yearly open, and then keep on going up. Yep, I'm telling you guys. It's not confirmed yet, though, okay? But this is exactly the same play that I saw beforehand. But what we had after this level is the important thing, okay? This is the confirmation that we need. We need a ridiculous amount of volume, and it needs to accelerate the upside very rapidly. This is confirmation. Way too early. It looks good, but it's way too early, okay? Hey, James, thanks, buddy. I appreciate that, man. Awesome. I'm telling you guys, if I called this and I'm able to keep you guys from selling right here, like, come on, guys. Like, I think I deserve some little bit of freaking, like, props on this. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying. If I actually just saved you guys a ridiculous amount of money from panic selling here, I think I deserve some, like, love at the bare minimum. Look at this, though, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's look at this. Sweep this. Hold this. Whale buy zone right here. Sweep this, hold this, whale buy zone. I called this sucker, guys. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. This looks good. I'm like, we don't know if this is it. All right, okay, well, hold the hell on. Woo! I'm about to get my wine. Look at this beautiful, beautiful buyback. I loving it, loving it. Thank you, Javier. Javier Vasquez with that $10. I appreciate that, buddy. I really do. All right. Woo, howdy. Oh, man. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, man. Let's see. It's still early, guys. I showed you what we need to see, right? We're not there yet. But damn, this might be it, guys. This looks really, really good. This is very strong volume right here, okay? Now, here's what you're looking for. I don't like the terminology buy volume. I don't like that terminology because here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. Every time a transaction happens, you're going to have buy volume and sell volume, right? Because every buyer needs a seller, every seller needs a buyer, right? So whenever you have, so what happens is there's not really such thing as a buy volume, right? The important thing is what happened whenever there was a lot of volume, right? When a lot of transactions take place, what happened here? All right, so if you guys are on here and you are getting this awesome play-by-play and all that good stuff, you guys need to be throwing a like and subscribe down right now. Like, come on, man. Come on, give me at least the bare minimum a like or subscribe. At the bare minimum. Oh, man, this is insane, guys. 9 likes and 54 views. We have got to fix that. Let's fix it. All right, so, whoo. 1 minute left on this candle. Thank you, Andres. Appreciate it. Is it a $100,000 prize at the end? I mean, one step at a time. All right. Yeah, you guys better be smashing that like button. Like, holy hell, I am throwing you guys the alpha right now. Hey, Andres, thank you so much, brother. I appreciate you becoming a member of the channel, man. I really do appreciate that. All right. But yeah, so far it looks really good, guys. This is what they call an engulfing or an engulfing bullish candle. Okay, bullish engulfing candle. Okay. The bullish engulfing is a bullish engulfing pattern is a candlestick pattern that forms when a small black candlestick is followed the next day by a large white candlestick. Well, so white, black, red, green. Okay, so a smaller candlestick that's completely encompassed by a large one. Right, beautiful. But yeah, woo, man, this is good. Okay, this is good. Now on the and I'm telling you guys, super low time frame. We want this to hold, right? Super low time frame. This should act as support. Yes, this is a 5-minute breaker. Okay, yes, I'm tracking that. It's an incredibly low time frame, but we want to see some market structure being formed here. Okay, we really want to see it get here, and then after that, what is this level here? I don't even know what this level comes from. Oh, this 15-minute breaker I was talking about on stream or earlier today. So this is the pathway that we want to see taken. Okay. This is the path we want to see taken. We want to see something like this. Up here, test, come up here, test, here, test, keep going up, okay? This is what I want to see. 20 bucks. Hey, thanks, Andres. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. All right. Woo, this looks good. Okay, so you guys see this. Low time frame, but look at this interaction, okay? Breakers at work. Breaker was established. Come down here. Test it. Continue to the upside. You guys see this? Jonathan, man, I need you to slow your roll, man. Okay, one thing at a time. What I've been looking for, I'm expecting this to be the final drop. Okay, the final drop. This should be the last drop. We should, if everything goes the way I'm hoping, Bitcoin will not see $39,850 for a very, very long time. That's my expectation. All right, how many likes we got? Nah, it can't be right. Let's fix this. 22 likes. Okay, better. We have 64 people in the chat. That means there are like 44 of y'all. I don't know if the math makes sense, but have not actually thrown a like yet. All right, so we have a change in market structure. That's really good. You guys see this. Very, very low time frame. Came up here, retested the 5-minute breaker. Now we're going to continue to the upside. Okay. Volume, though, is pretty crappy. I do not like the volume here. Let's go to a different chart. See if we get better volume. Okay, this is Bybit. I don't care about Bybit. Binance. This is a good one. Okay. Strong sell volume. Sell, strong increase. Hey, also, if you guys are on my Twitter, can you please like and retweet this sucker? Like, this is literally the bottom it looks like. All right, and I have 2 likes. This is no kidding, like the bottom, and I have 2 likes on this, right? But everyone else who's screaming about this thing being over and we're going to nothing probably has like a ton of likes. This is perfect, guys. Look at this. All right, cool. All right, awesome. Yep, we're waiting for confirmation, okay? We will not get confirmation anytime soon. I'll make that very clear. But this is a very, very good sweep so far. Very nice sweep. I'm very happy with this. Ooh, it's so early. Oh man, come on. Come on. Yeah, guys. All right, so let's go around and look at other charts. I'm going to look at other things while I'm also going around the market. HBAR actually was at a golden pocket region. Let's see where we're at right now. Or where do we get to? Let's look at this. My 3-day level, come down here from the bottom to the top. We came down here and tagged the golden pocket zone, right? 618 to 702 is the golden pocket. We came down here, tagged it. We've so far had a pretty healthy reaction. Let's go to the BTC pairings and see how other things are holding up relative to Bitcoin. ADA, very nice bounce so far. Oh, wow, that's a really nice bounce. Okay. AMP's doing good. It's not enough liquidity on this exchange to really be valuable. AVAX is doing good. Celo still doing good. eGold's on fire. What else are the other big ones? ETN, HBAR, how are we doing? Slightly. I want to see it more of a bounce, but overall it's okay. Okay, Raven is holding up very nicely. Okay. Raven's also on a major support level, so this is actually a really, really good opportunity to buy right now if you want to get into Raven. It's a really good idea. Appreciate that, buddy. Make sure you guys are on the Discord, okay? Like, I update Discord all the time. I'm not always on YouTube, but I update Discord all the time. XRP, where we at? We're bouncing from the 200 moving average. You guys see this? Bouncing off of the 200 moving average. So do you think that XRP is a good play right now? Yes. Of course it is. Shorts are increasing rapidly. Okay. Interesting. When did they join? Okay, they're increasing right now. Okay. Total 2 chart is accelerating pretty quickly. All right, look at the difference between these 2 bounces. Okay, we're gonna look at this. Oh wow, 3 drive pattern. Get the hell out of here. All right, 3 drive pattern. Guys, I'm telling you, I do a lot of different trading, not just price action or any of that stuff. I also focus on patterns as well. I'm a big fan of just patterns in general. So 3 drive pattern like this, 1, 2, 3. So drop, drop, drop. 3rd bounce is usually where it takes off from. This is a reversal pattern. Well, if you look right here, we have a very clear, oops, let's take that off. 1, a very clear 2, and we have a very clear 3, okay? 3 drive pattern, 3 lower lows, and I'm going to put money on it that if this thing is probably able to connect, isn't it? Oh, no, it didn't. Just kidding. Apparently it didn't, okay? I will do chart request once I get some stabilization in the market, all right, guys? I really want to focus on this and see how this is doing. But here's the good part about this, all right? If this takes off like I think it's going to, then essentially everything's going to take off. Like everything. I don't care what it is, what the information is about it. Everything is going to take off. Hey, thanks, CB. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. When it hit up my my tweet, I really appreciate it. Guys, I will cover individual altcoins later, okay? I'm going to focus on the ones that I think are most important for the overall market, all right? I have some key indicating ones that I want to look at because I know that they've been strong performers, and they're usually going to be the ones that are going to give us the most conviction on whether or not we're going to keep going up or not. So, I have my coins I'm looking at, guys, I promise. Now, here's the thing, though. If they start going up, okay, if this does confirm is going up, everything is going to go up. I don't care what coins you have. I don't care the fundamentals. I don't care anything about it. Yes, it will go up. So I actually don't even use those indicators. I'm not going to lie. I don't. So I don't want to try to BS you guys. So, all right, now, did this form the breaker? Yes, it did. So let's see if we continue with the stair-stepping up, right? I want to see if this continues the stair-stepping. Do we have any higher time frame breakers? No, not yet. All we got are 5 minutes. It's very, very, very young, okay? It's very new, but we are stair-stepping up. This is what we want to see. So now I want to see it come down here and tap here and not go lower, okay? If we start going below here, then we're actually losing levels. We don't want that. We want to keep going up, and we don't want to be retracing any further. Or if we do retrace, we want to have a very minor retracements and nothing major. So we're still doing fine, okay? Don't go anywhere. I'm going to be updating you guys as this thing goes, okay? You do not want to go anywhere. Yeah, man, I'm not going to lie, man. I don't really use those indicators. I'm not saying they don't work. That's not at all what I'm saying. What I'm saying, though, is I don't personally use it. So I don't want to use it incorrectly or give you a false sense of security on those on those indicators. So what I use, I think, is very effective. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So far, so good, guys. All right. We didn't actually touch it. We might have on other exchanges because it is such a small level that I bet liquidity is going to be different on each exchange, or it is different on different exchange. So I bet on some exchanges it probably hit it. Nope, not there. Nope, not there. We still have a space there, guys. So we're still waiting to come back down and tap it. Let's go to Binance, actually. That's the one with the most. So Binance is a really important one to be looking at right now because Binance uses leverage trading, right? So this one's going to have a lot more volatility in the market because of that. Is buying a bad idea currently for BTC? Well, I would probably wait for confirmation, right? But it depends upon your own trading risk allocation. So if you are not exposed to the market and want to start getting exposed, I don't think it's a bad idea to do now. Start DCAing in, right? Daily cost averaging in. But if you want to be safe about it, wait until we have confirmation, because right now we don't have it. I want to see this come down here and tap it. I want to continue with the market structure change. That's what I really want to see. I want to see more higher, lower. I want to see more highs and lows set. Let's get rid of that. Okay, down here. Continue. That's what I want to see, okay? Market structure, right? We have a low, we have a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is what you're looking for. You're good, buddy. Don't worry, Javier. Monitor on Discord, and I will keep you up to date, brother. All right? So don't stress, man. You can also place. This is a clear impulsive structure. So if we lose this, this will be bad. Okay, I'm telling you right now. If we lose this low, this will be bad. Okay. I really, 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 really do not want to see it get back down here again. Okay. So this would be, I believe, a fairly safe stop loss if you want to place one. Okay. This is actually going to be a strong stop loss. Okay. I think if we get back below here, we're going to go ahead and go down to 37. Okay. Yep. This is your stop loss. Get back below here, we will see 37,000. Okay. Notifications. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. This is what I want to see. Yep. We haven't actually touched this level yet. All right, let's look around. Let's see what the indicators are doing. Want to see DXY dropping. It's sort of just stabilizing, which, whatever, it's fine. It's stabilizing. Total 2 is still increasing. Looks good so far. We now have placed in a low time frame breaker on here. Yep, low time frame breaker on there. We have this low time frame breaker right here. Minor resistance, nothing crazy, but we definitely do have those levels that do exist. Dow's already closed. I want to watch the shorts. Shorts are continuing to increase. Not that much, though. It's still relatively small. Even though it looks like this is a really big increase, if you zoom out, you can see that this is not many shorts at all. Okay, like this is not many shorts. So that's what I want to see. I don't want to see many shorts. I do want to see a lot more longs pop in, which they are starting to. Okay, this is good. I think we're getting a lot of confidence in the market, so I really want to see. Bitcoin dominance starting to drop. That's good. That means people are gaining confidence in our altcoins, and maybe they can stop bleeding. That'd be amazing right now, right? Yes, 100%, man. Yes, people are behind planning this crap. Like I told you guys. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to explain to you guys why this works. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys. So I'm going to go over here, and we're going to talk about this. Okay? Yeah, you do not want to miss this, I assure you. I'm going to explain why this... Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Come on, give me a really big, a really, 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 really nice green candle. Give me one that freaking just annihilates this crap. We have a show of market structure. We have a change of market structure. Give me a really nice candle to put to rest everyone. Wipe out all these shorts. Pop that sucker up. That's what I want to see. Do not stop it. Keep this sucker going straight up. Nail it. I want to just nail it, guys. Holy hell, man. Woo! This has been fun. There it is. There it is. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Up here, guys. I want to make this even larger. Okay. What do we have now? New breaker. That's right. We have a new breaker formed, okay? So if we do come back down, I want this to hold. This is exactly what I'm looking for stair-stepping up, right? Keep that sucker. Keep going up. Woo, baby, guys. I'm so happy right now. All right. Oh, man. Give me this massive candle right here. Higher volume, too. Oh, man. Look at this volume. That's beautiful. Look at that massive volume on this buyback. Oh, mama. Beautiful. Damn, he talks so good. All right. Is it time to pop the cork? What do you guys think? You think it's time to pop the cork, or am I going too early? What do you guys think? I have some wine in there. What do y'all think? Tell me, should I pop the cork and pull the wine out, or is it too early? I want to know what you guys want to know about. Is it time? Because I'll go back there and I'll grab it. I'm going to grab my wine if that's the case. Yeah, if you're not on Discord, you're seriously missing out. Uh-oh, we're coming back down. Is it time? Is it too early? Not yet? Coffee time? All right, maybe coffee. Nah, not yet. All right, not yet, not yet. That's fine. Y'all let me know when you guys are confident this thing's keeping going up. Yeah, we don't have the confirmation yet, right? But what I will tell you, though, it's a lot of volume. A lot of volume. This is a really, really, really good sign. Anthony says pop, but I think you guys are right. It's too early. It's too early, guys. Want to see it keep going. And it's okay if we fall down, okay? Like, make that very clear. It's not unhealthy for us to do a retracement, continue back up, okay? You have this micro tea time. Why not? No, man, I'm going all the way in. I don't do tea. I'm in the U.S. Army, man. We don't play that tea game, all right? All right, let's look at this. Why are we finding resistance here? I bet I can figure it out. Yep, there it is right there. Look at this, okay? Look. This is a resistance. Okay, you guys see this? This is a resistance. It's very strong, actually. Well, that's the text. All right, there it is. Yes, this is a massive resistance level. Okay? Massive resistance level. I think if we get an hourly close above here, that's my level. So we have 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, I want to see it above here. That's what I want to see. What do you guys think? You guys think we can do it? Do you guys think we can get above here in 12 minutes? It's not that far away. All right. Five minute. Okay. So we're coming back down here. I guess now we're going to come back down here, retest over here. Are there any altcoins that are just exploding right now? HBAR is actually doing pretty good right now. Let's go to the BTC pairings. What are the ones that are really popping off right now? AMP's doing pretty good. AVAX doing good. Celo still doing good. Okay. CVX, baby. My CVX still doing good. I love it. Hey, Martin's got a good point, though, man. He's got a good point. You're 18%, 19% down? Man, I wish I was 19% down. That'd have been nice. I would love to be 19% down right now. Man, lucky you. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm doing all right. Doing okay. Yeah, XRP is doing really good. It's popping off a little bit. So here's the thing about XRP, okay? We have a very clear channel that's been formed. It's a very clear channel, and it's holding this level and holding the 200 moving average. So my smooth is almost gone, man. So yeah, this looks really good. We're popping off the 200 moving average. I want to see it keep going, but overall XRP does look really nice. All right, where's BTC at? How are we holding up? How are we holding up now? God, look at this sucker. All right, let's see it. Let's see it come down here, test it, and accelerate. That's what I want to see. I want to see it confirm this as support and then accelerate to the upside. All right, how many likes we got? Let's see. I got 30 bucks today. Woo, man, I'm making money now. 47 likes. All right, guys. There are 85 people in the chat, and there are 47 likes. Okay? 85 people on the chat, 47 likes. Okay? I literally called the bottom. I would really appreciate if y'all give me more than freaking 47 likes. There's 56. All right, that's better. I like it. I like it. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we're getting up there. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. That's all I want. Am I gay? I mean, my wife doesn't think so, so I guess not. Oh, man. Yep. Let's see what else. All right, so we're coming down here, we're retouching it, and then hopefully come down here and accelerate the upside. That's what we really want to see, right? Hey, Alec, what you can do, come to the Discord server and go over here into the market update. and I give a play-by-play on exactly what I'm expecting and why. All right. Yeah, I did. I actually called the bottom on this. So far it's going really well, right? But again, I don't want to get ahead of myself yet, but man, it's going well. All right, we have 8 minutes to get above this red, and that's what I really want to see. I think here's what I'm going to do. In 8 minutes, if we are above this breaker, I'm going to go ahead and pop the wine. That's what I want to see. 8 minutes. Be above here. Look at this buyback. Very nice. Came down here, test this level, keep the upside. You guys see how this works, though, right? Make a breaker, get above it, right? Retest it, come back up, retest it, come back up, retest it. This is what you want to look for bullish market structure. That's what it's called, bullish market structure. This is perfect, right? And if we get above here, it's going to just really, really, really accelerate. URS. I don't have that one on here. What other ones are really taking off? Stack. Oh my God, Stack. Yes. Stack's taking off. It's my 4th largest holding, I think. It's another good one. ETN is looking really good. I'll explain why I'm so bullish on ETN in a bit, but I am really bullish on ETN. What was that? BTC, Binance. Still stuck. So what we are right now, we are called, what crypto am I invested the most in? If you go over here, go to the Trading Academy, go to active holdings right here. These are all of my holdings. I haven't updated it in about 11 days. I'll try to update it today. And this is my portfolio allocation. So yeah, dude, I have everything on there, man. I'm very, very open. I don't hide anything. I will show you guys my profits and my loss. No. Oh, yeah, I will. Don't worry, man. I got you, Andres. But we only have 5 minutes to get above our level, though, man. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Looking around. Am I missing anything? Nothing yet. All right. Let's see. No one asked if you're... Why? Why is that even happening? I don't understand why you guys are even asking that. Well, I definitely have a wife. So, yeah. It'd be a hell of a surprise to her and myself. Oh, got it. Okay. CB's got me, man. Thank you, CB. I appreciate that. Why above that red box? Great question. Well, this is called a breaker. And breakers are actually a very important tool that you can use in your analysis. In fact, if you go over here, it's going to be, there you go, cheat code indicator. I recorded 3 weeks ago, got 536 views, right? Also, I just recommend going to the playlist, going to Trading 101, and just sitting down, having a drinky drink, and just start watching all of these because they're all really good videos. And personally, I think they're essential if you're going to even try to survive in this market. Ooh, baby. Win Lambo? I mean, I don't know, man. When SEC settles, that's when the Lambo's going to happen. When the SEC admits they made a massive failure in XRP and leave crypto alone, that'd be amazing. Oh my gosh, man. What is up with y'all today? What is going on? Why the frame? Oh, yeah. So this is called a breaker. What this means is you have a break in price action. All right. So you have a downtrend. You have a consolidation period. This is the place where the bulls fought back. So it's a bearish market. This is where the bulls fought back and a continuation downward. What a breaker is it clearly defines an area where there is clear consolidation. Okay, and that's what we're looking for. So that's what we're looking for, clear consolidation. And so anytime you have clear consolidation or an area that was highly contested, this is the perfect spot. This is the perfect spot to sell at, right? So this is the perfect spot to be a resistance. Hey, appreciate that. Absolutely. Best educational channel. I really do appreciate that. Honestly, I do. Oh man, what else? So yeah, guys, we're sort of just waiting at this point. We have 2 minutes until the daily or until the hourly close. Not really confident we're going to get it right now, guys. Not very confident. It's a lot of volume, though. A lot of volume on this. Very, very good sign. Very good sign. I do want to see this. Okay, we're having a retest. We have not had a proper retest yet. Retest. Now I want you to bounce and accelerate upwards. I want to see. I want to see this breaker hold. This is a green breaker because it should act as support. Just like this. Support. This should act as support. Okay. Okay, we're testing it right now. We tested the 5-minute breaker, and we are popping the upside. Perfect. Good little breaker. You're doing your job very nicely. You're doing your job very nicely. The volume is not very impressive yet. So there's definitely a lot of indecision right now in the market. I think if we get above this, though, there'll be a lot less indecision and a lot more people who are like, okay, this is for real. Or is there a higher time frame level yet? Nope, nothing yet. This 1 hour is all we got. I will cover mini coins later in the stream, but not right now, okay? I'm focusing my effort on the one that really matters. This right here, okay? Like I've already said, guys, if Bitcoin finds support here, this will be like all altcoins will explode. All of them. Okay? So I don't even care what coin you give me. I don't give a shit. Okay? If this holds, all your coins are going to explode. Okay? All of them do. Okay, 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so we obviously did not get our close above here. So no wine yet, no confirmation, right? Damn it, I'm thirsty too. This sucks. It's 4 a.m. Appreciate it. Thank you, Amit. Appreciate that, man. Okay, so now we have this established, a 15-minute breaker. Anything else established? Not yet. But yeah, you guys can see there's an hour breaker, so it's obviously giving us a lot of resistance, and not too much of a surprise. So now let's look at this, okay? Let's get our Fibonacci levels established, right? So Fibonacci, let's say this is the local top, okay? Local top. Where are the key levels we're looking at? Right here. This is going to be the 0.382. .618. This is going to be the 0.702. Okay. All right, awesome. So these are our primary fib ratios that I'm really interested in. Okay. 0.618, 382, 618, 702. Until we get above here, until this above this, these levels will act as a strong support level. Okay. 382, 618, and 702. These are our primary levels that we're going to be looking at for support. Okay, now that we have this breaker established, what does this mean? This is now going to be a resistance. Okay, This is now a resistance level. Why is it a resistance? Because we formed the breaker, closed below it. This is now going to be a resistance level. So, as you guys can see, what's happening right now, we came up here, tested it, and we have retested it as resistance. We come down here. What are we doing? We're ranging. We are picking a direction right now. It's too low of a time frame. We don't know what's going to happen. But right now, this is bouncing up and down until we pick a direction, which hopefully it goes up, right? That's what we want to see. Okay, we're just ranging. We're bouncing between these two levels. That's all we're doing. Hey, I appreciate that, Chris. Thank you so much, buddy. Really do appreciate it, man. Chris is one of my boys, man. He's been on Discord. He's always active. Oh, yeah, he's one of my boys, man. Thank you so much, man. I do appreciate it. Yep, that's where we're at right now, guys. Oh, man. Okay, still stuck here. This acted as support. Guess what? We're coming up here to retest resistance, right? We're bouncing between these two levels. That's all we're doing right now. It's way too early to pick a decision, guys. It's way too early. Yeah, Chris is he's an MVP, man. He is an MVP. All right, how many likes we got so far? Let's see. Where are we at? We are at 71 likes, 91 people. That's pretty damn good, guys. I like the ratio. There's 20 of you guys holding out, though. Let's fix that. 20 of you guys holding out, but I do like it. Thank you guys who are liking and subscribing to the channel, though. I do appreciate it. All right. Okay. We're having some sort of retracement, right? But even if we lose this, right, we're still okay. Why? Because we have the 382 right here, okay? Best coin to buy right now? All of them. All of them. That's the best one to buy. I mean, there's not a single coin I think is going to like... I think there are a lot of coins out there that have a lot of potential. The best thing that you can do, come over into the Discord server, see all these coins. I do updates all the time on coins, all the time, okay? If you go on there, you will know the coins I'm looking at. All right. Now, if you are a Patreon subscriber, you will get even more information, okay? So, if you go to Patreon and you join, what is going on? What? No. Okay, apparently I logged out. Great. All right, well, if you go to Patreon, you will actually be able to get a lot more information on there, and I will give you inside information and signals and all that great stuff on there. You also will do chart requests. You have lots of really, really cool stuff. So check that out. Sorry, I'm sort of distracted right now. I'm trying to make sure I don't mess this whole thing up. Where is it at? Live stream, buy me a coffee. There it is. All right, cool. We're holding up pretty well. Yep, here we go. We're already at a $20 a month, guys. We already sold them all. But if you go to $40 a month, become a VIP Patreon, and then you get chart requests, Altcoin analysis, and all that good stuff. So definitely check out on doing that. It's in the description below. All right, so let's keep back into it. Wait, where are we at? Right here. Okay. So far, we're still holding up, guys. Oh, look at that. We're back in our range, right? Back in the range. So right now, this breaker is still holding up as a solid support level. Okay, it's still holding up. But if you guys look at this, we still don't have that much volume yet. It's still relatively low. We want to see that massive buyback, which we have got a pretty solid buyback, but we also want to see a lot of volume that comes along with it. And that's the thing we're really missing. I think if we get above this level, I think we're going to have a lot more volume. Let's go to the higher time frame and see if we can find some really important levels. I think I had some levels annotated on the other chart. Yeah, this is the one I was looking at. This is the one I'm looking at. That's going to be the daily, right? Daily right there. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to annotate it on here. This is the level that's going to be the confirmation. Okay? Get above here and close above there. This is going to be the confirmation level. Okay? So as you guys can see, We have some ways to go, but it's really not that far away. It's around 6% higher than where we're at right now. Get above there, and I think we're going to go tremendously higher, okay? Marvelous TA. Hey, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you so much, Zane. I try my best, man. I really try to give you guys all the information in real time and all that good stuff. So, and I promise you, if you think I'm good on here, like on Discord, that's where it's really at. I really update people as much as I can on there. Uh-oh. Okay. We are collapsing a little bit. Okay. Is that okay? Yes, it is, right? Because retracements are okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But we want to see these retracement levels hold. The first one's going to be a 382. So if we come down here, we want to see a 382 hold. If that doesn't hold, we legitimately might be coming back down to 618. Okay. That's not necessarily unhealthy, but I really want to see this one hold. Okay. And that's where we're at, guys. This is our massive support level. It needs to hold. I say massive, but it's all we got to work with right now. This is it. We don't have anything else to really go off of. It's just too early, right? 86 likes there. Look at that. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. This gives the YouTube the signals that what we have going on here is a good stream. That's what it's important about, right? So it gives YouTube the signals that it needs to recommend it to other people. There we go. We're back in our range. Okay, this is called a void right here. This is a void. It means there's no real resistance in here. That's why we can jump around freely. But once we get up here, this is the real test. Okay, this is the real test right here. We get above there, then we're going to be retargeting our hourly breaker. It very well might, man. It very well might. Like, it very well may capitulate more. Now, here's the thing, though. If we lose the 702 and 618 right down here, we will capitulate. Okay, we will. We will. I'm telling you right now, we will capitulate, and it will be disgusting. All right, there we go. We're retesting our breaker again. And that's where it gets really, really bad, okay? Like, I think if we capitulate, we very well may be seeing like 35,000, okay? Very quickly, 35,000. I don't think we'll be there very long if we get down there, but I don't think 35,000 is out of the question. I also don't think that the total 2 chart, I think the total 2 chart will absolutely break into these major levels down here, right? And that's a hell of a drop. So from our current level down, for our current level down, we're looking at around a 16% drop, okay? Pretty massive, ugly, ugly day, right? But I think it's very possible if we lose that level. That's how significant this is. So, like, earlier today, I was really considering that we were going to see 38,000 regardless. And, like, no kidding, I came up with this thought process where it was going to stop right here around 2 hours ago. I was sitting around in the chat, talking to people, going through my old things, and be like, wait a second. I bet whales use this as an opportunity to accumulate. All right, guys. I think we're pretty much stagnant. Here's what I'm going to do, okay? Do you guys want me to explain why I was talking this level? Do you guys want me to explain in detail what I was looking for and why I was able to call the bottom? Let me know, okay? If not, we'll keep looking at the chart. We'll look at the altcoins. Do you guys want me to explain why this was the bottom? All right, let's see. Trying to do what you guys want to do. Okay, yes, please. Jerome says yes. Anyone else? Okay, we're strong with this breaker right now. Okay, Mark says yes. All right, cool, cool, cool. I like it. Alec, yes. Hell yeah. All right, I says hell yeah. I like that. That's the attitude I like. I love it, man. I love it. Explanation, always nice. Okay, all right, cool. I got you guys. Okay, Amit as well. I love it. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm expecting. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place what's called an alert, and my alert is going to go right here, right above this level, okay? If this alert gets hit, I'm going to know because it's going to signify to me, right? And it's going to tell me, hey, alert's been hit, okay? Bitcoin broke new high, okay? If it goes off, it's going to give us a screen, right? At the same time, if we come down here to the 382, okay, it will also alert me. So don't worry, I have all the all the notifications on there like I need to know so that if something happens, we can go right back to the price action. You're not going to miss anything, I promise you guys, all right? 0.382 fib. All right, cool. Now we have 382, new highs. It's just going to move around until we get notified, and then we're going to keep going up, all right? That's what we're going to do. So, all right, I want you guys to pay attention really closely. Here's how this works, okay? And I'm going to show you another example as to another example and when this has happened as well. And this is a very, very easy way of knowing or really predicting it, okay? Here's what you guys can understand. Oh, right there, okay. Here's what you guys can understand, okay? Let's say you're a whale, okay? And let's say you own thousands of Bitcoins. You own thousands, all right? At least hundreds, probably thousands of Bitcoins. Now, you can't just go onto Coinbase and just buy 2,000 Bitcoin, okay? If you do that, you are going to buy at a really high price, okay? Because you're not just going to take like if you're right here, you're not just going to get the price right here. You're also going to have to wipe out all liquidity and take everyone who's offering Bitcoin, and it's going to rise very, very quickly as you have to take everything that's there, right? Now, the other side, if you want to buy 2,000 Bitcoin, you're like, okay, great. I'm just going to place a limit order for 2,000 Bitcoin right here. Everyone can see that limit order, right? But if you place a limit order right here at $48,300 for $48,300 for like 1,000 Bitcoin, do you think anyone's going to sell to you? No, they're not, right? They're not going to sell to you because there's a massive, what's called a buy wall sitting there. So instead, you're going to place that buy wall right here. Let me explain this like this. It'll be easier to explain. Okay. I think the best way of doing this. All right, so here's what's going on. Here's the problem. You want 1,000 Bitcoin. All right? You want 1,000 Bitcoin. You already own 5. Okay, you already own a lot, okay? But you want more because you're a whale and you're greedy, right? And that's what they do, and nothing wrong with that, right? Okay, what happens is that you can't just go to an exchange and just buy Bitcoin, okay? You can't buy that amount. You're going to have to do some whale fuck games to make this actually happen, all right? So what you can do is you can either buy what's in the market available, and you're going to wipe out the entire order book, right? So every time people place their bids on the order on an exchange, and it creates a massive order book, right? If you go on there, you are going to just go ahead and wipe out all liquidity, and you're going to have what's called slippage. And the price is going to rise much higher than it should. So you're going to buy some Bitcoin, like hypothetically at 65,000, but you're also going to buy Bitcoin at 66,000, 67,000, 68,000, etc., right? You're going to constantly keep buying Bitcoin way above market prices because that's all that exists on the market, right? Now, here's the other option you have. You say, well, I want to buy Bitcoin at 64,722, okay? So, do you think they're going to sell you 1,000 Bitcoin right here? No, they're not. All right, because they're scared of that. They're not going to sell into a 1,000 wall Bitcoin, a sell wall or a buy wall. They're not going to do that. They're like, oh, this is support. Why would I sell into this massive support? It makes no sense, right? So here's what you do, okay? So now let's say you're a whale. Here's what you do. I'm telling you guys, this is going to blow your mind and probably piss you off, all right? It's so brutal, just absolutely brutal, okay? So this is price action. You guys see this, right? This is called the swing, or let's do this, okay? So you want to buy Bitcoin, okay? You want to buy it for as low as possible, and you need people you need people who are going to sell it to you willingly, okay? They're going to willingly sell it to you. So what you can do, let's say you want to get the best price you can. You can take advantage of something called a swing low, okay? And this is called a swing low. What happens, a lot of people will place their stop losses right here, okay? They're going to place their stop losses right here because a lot of people, what they're going to do is they're going to go into a long position, right? Long position, they're going to target up here, right? They'll place their stop loss right here, right? Because this is the last swing low. It makes sense to have your stop loss right here, right? So what you're going to do is you are going to take your 5,000 Bitcoin that you already own. Okay? You're going to place this right here, right above the price action, right? And what you're going to do is you are just going to force the price down. And how are you going to do that? Drop your buy wall down, and the price keeps getting scared of it and running down lower and running down lower, okay? They're going to keep pushing it down and pushing it down, right? And you're pushing it down with this massive 5,000 Bitcoin for sale, right? You're pushing the price down, and now all these people who had good short positions, right? They're starting to freak out because the price is dropping lower than it should, right? Yeah, keep pushing it down and keep pushing it down, okay? And then what you're going to do is as soon as you break it down and all these people who have stop losses set, it's going to go below here, and all these people with these stop losses set right here, they're going to sell, right? Because their stop losses go out. Or you create a new low so people freak out. They panic sell, right? They're going to freak the hell out and just lose their minds, and they're all going to sell, right? Well, what are you going to do if you're a whale? What are you going to do? You're going to buy all up in here, right? You're going to buy 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, right? You could have bought up here at 65,000, but instead, you're actually getting your bids filled down here at 63,000, right? So now your 5,000 Bitcoin sell wall keeps dropping down and dropping down and dropping down, right? Past and past and past, right? These guys all freak out and they crash the market down, right? They crash the market down. And once all your bids are filled, what do? Get rid of it. And then what happens? Pop! Because the buy wall or the sell wall no longer exists. It pops the upside, right? That makes sense? Because the reason why the reason why they were selling was because the sell wall kept dropping. Once they go below that swing low, you take all their coins they're selling for dirt cheap, and you get rid of the sell wall, and the price accelerates the upside. That's it, man. That's it. This is how they play the game. I'm not kidding you. That's exactly what they do, right? So I hope that makes sense. Now that you guys see that, now let's talk about the most recent price action, what just happened, right? Okay, I just showed you guys this, and obviously whatever I just talked about worked because that's exactly what just happened here, right? So now let's talk about this, okay? What's this? Your swing low, right? This is your swing low. All these people who long the market did what, right? They came over here and they made all their positions, right? They're all in the market, and what they do? They said, I'm going to put my stop loss right here. I'm going to target way up here, right? I'm going to target way up here, right? Because I think this is the bottom of the market, right? It's going to go way up there. But what happens? Okay. The swing low is set, right? And what happens now, right? These whales come through here. Push the market down, right? Push the market down. Push the market down. Push the market down. And here's the important thing, right? While this drop is happening, look at the volume, okay? The volume is really low, okay? The volume is really low. Why is the volume really low and dropping? Because no one's actually selling their coins. All they're doing is avoiding the buy wall. That's all they're doing. Or the sell wall. They're just avoiding it, right? And now, once you get down here, you're right there at that level, okay? What are you going to do? You as a whale, you're going to look and you're going to say, what major support levels exist? Right here, right? This is a major support level. You know it's a major support level. This level should hold. It's a 3-day breaker, massively important. I've had this level marked off for weeks, right? So what are you going to do? You're going to come over here and you're going to place your bids all up in here, right? Just like I told you guys. Place your bids, place your bids, place your bids, place your bids, right? You're placing your bids, okay? You start dragging that price down, Sweep that low, right? Once that low gets swept, what do all those people who are long positions do? They freak out. They panic sell. If you're not on the stream, you just sold your coins, right? Because you're all freaking out, right? Everyone loses their minds and sells their coins. And you have this massive drop that happens, okay? In the span of 5 minutes, all these coins were sold. And who did you sell it to? You sold all your coins to the whale, right? So all these bids just got filled, right? And then what happens? Once the whale just took off all that money, what is he doing now with that buy wall? Got rid of it, right? Got rid of it. And then the price skyrockets, right? That's how it works, man. How it works. I'm telling you guys, it's nuts. This is how the market works. It's called a swing failure pattern, and it works really, really well. Whales do this shit all the time. Okay. Another example, right? I see the market's not doing too hot, but guess what? We have our alert set. So am I freaking out? No, of course not, right? I'll go back over there if we get to that point. All right, another example. Another example. Oh, wait, where are we at? All right, right over here. Wait, where are we at? Oh, yeah, we're over here. Okay. Another example. You have this right here, okay? This is going to be a swing low, right? Swing low. Now, this is a very important one. Go over here to the 12-month. I'm going to annotate this as my yearly open. This only happens once a year, this level. Extremely, extremely important, right? But I have a swing low right here, okay? Swing low right here. And I said, hey, this price is dropping down in there. I wonder, do you think they're doing the exact same thing again? Are they just pushing it down into the swing low, right? Into my yearly open. You know the yearly open's a major, major support level, right? So what happens? All these guys have all these positions available, right? They all have all these positions available, right? So let me do this. Really, really good traders, right? They made some really good plays. They caught the bottoms on all these different things, right? All these traders did a really, really good job. Where are they targeting? Swing low. And what happens? The whale comes around, right? He's going to place a big buy wall or sell wall. A massive, massive coins, right? And he comes in here. He's right here. He's forcing the price down. And you can tell, once again, low volume. Low volume. No one's really actually selling their coins. All they're doing is trying to avoid the sell wall. And he's coming down here. He's pushing the price down. He's pushing the price down. Pushing the price down, right? Then as soon as he breaks below that swing low, these two traders who did a really good job, who got really great entries, they just got liquidated, right? They got stopped out. And what happens? They just sold into the yearly open, which the whale had all of its bids at, right? So they just sold all their positions into the whale's positions, right? So now the whale just got all these positions filled, and then what happened? Sell wall goes away, and it pumps. That's how it worked, guys. I'm telling you. This is a really, really, really clean play, and it's called a swing failure pattern, okay? Swing failure pattern. It's brutal. It's absolutely brutal. All right, so let's go ahead and check out our most recent price action, see what's going on. We're having some bearishness. Uh-oh. Are we done, guys? Are we done? No, of course not, right? We have more support. We're not worried. Now, let's go ahead back to our 5-minute chart. Is this now that significant? Not really. Why? Because we have this now, right? We have a higher time frame level. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and get rid of our previous one and annotate only the higher time frame level, which is now going to act as a resistance. Oh, wait, no, it's not a resistance yet. Take that back. It's not been established yet. All right, so we're coming down here at 382 right now. You think it should, guys? You think it should be in its own video? Maybe. I'm glad you guys like that, though. Swing failure pattern. Yep, swing failure pattern. It's brutal. It's absolutely brutal. Whale fuck games in action right there. It's a way to absolutely abuse new traders. All right, we got a test. We got a test. All right, 382. 382 level just got tested, okay? We really need to see some bullishness happen pretty quickly, okay? I don't want to see too much of this. What's going on? Okay. All right, 382 just got tested. I want to see it hold, okay? I know, right? Whale fuck games. That's what it is, man. That's all it is. Just whale fuck games. It is whales taking your money. That's all it is. It's a way for whales to take your money. That's why I don't do leverage trading. I don't. I haven't done it in a very long time. I don't do leverage trading because no one can take my money unless I want to give you my money. That's it. Unless I make the decision to give that money up, no one can take it. I don't care what fuck games they play. There's no one who can take my coins away from me. Right? So trading spot is very empowering, and I recommend everyone doing it until at least you're an experienced trader at the bare minimum. Because that is the best way to get your money taken away from you. All right, so 382 has been tested, right? And where did that level come from? You take the bottom to the top. 382 right here, right? 382, Fibonacci retracement level, okay? It's a pretty important level. It's not as important as a 618, but it's also very important, especially in a bullish market. So 382 generally holds in a highly bullish market, which I would hope is what we have now, right? So we have now tested that level. This is a 15-minute level. Are we close it? 3, 2, 1. This is now a support. This is now a, all right. This is now dead. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade it. We now have a 15-minute breaker. Okay. 15-minute breaker has now been established as a resistance level. We do not have a 15-minute breaker down here. Hey, it's fine. Don't worry, man. If you go over here, come to my Trading 101, and I promise you, I will teach you more than you ever wanted to know about trading. Okay? And I upload videos all the time to help you become a better trader. All right, cool. Also, of course, if you guys are not a part of the Discord and you're not a part of the Patreon, you guys are seriously missing out. So definitely consider being a Patreon member, guys. I'm telling you guys. I know, $40 a month, it's a lot of money maybe, but I assure you, if you learn these skills, you will make way more than that very quickly. Like, this is crypto, guys. If you are trying to trade crypto trading, you know $40 is absolutely nothing. So I think it's a damn good deal for the price. All right, we are retesting this 5-minute breaker again, all right? We need to see some bullishness happen. We really do. 382 again, getting tested. Let's see. Okay. A little bit aggressive. Not too bad. Testing the next one down. If we go much further, we'll be looking at the 618, guys. Now, the good news is 618 is an extremely important level. So it should hold. In theory, it should hold. That being said, I just rather not even worry about it. I want to just keep going up now, right? That's what I want to do. I don't know about you guys. Did my alert even go off? Oh, it did. It went off my phone. Well, that's not good. Come on, man. All right, it's all right. Fortunately, I was watching it. Not a big deal. Yep. We need to see some bullishness, guys. I really want to see some bullishness very quickly on this stuff. So right now, we're still testing this breaker. We're testing this breaker. This is now a strong 15-minute breaker that's going to act as a lot of support or a lot of resistance. So we do have a lot of resistance above now, which is fine. It may take some time to build some strength up here. It's not that surprising. This was a very, very nice buyback, though. I'm very happy with the buyback. Let's see what's going on. All right. Let's see. What else is going on in here? Anything else? Not too much on RSI. There's not much to really see on the RSI side. Didn't really have much there. It was a pretty harsh drop. We did have a little bit of a bullish divergence here. Did we? No, we didn't actually hit the back. No, we did not. Pretty strong drop. This has a lot of volume. Channel formation? In what capacity? You think this is a channel? It's very early. Let's see. It's very early. Let's go to a 3-minute. I very, very, very rarely go to a low time frame like this, but when it's such an important level, such an important moment, I don't think it's necessarily a bad idea. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know, man. That's a tough one. So a higher time frame channel, maybe? This looks fairly clean as a channel. Not really. Take that back. Not really. All right, my wife just got home, so I may be getting off soon. I won't yet. Just be aware that's something that's happening. I mean, this is it, guys. Like, this is, oh, wait. No, okay. This is very important. This is a support level, right? Okay. Did we lose it yet? No, we did not, right? We closed low, but we didn't actually lose it. So this is still going to be a support level, okay? This is also a support level. Now, if we close this next candle down below, it will become a resistance. When Loki, I mean, Loki's here. No, it's not lost yet, all right? You have to be patient and disciplined. It's not lost yet. Let's see. Yep, happy wife, etc. You're damn straight, man. Yep. She's been working all day. She just got home, so, you know. One more like, and we hit 100. Oh, man. Well, you said total market cap hit my spot? Did it? Nope, not yet. What level was this anyway? Yeah, you're right, weekly. Wow, we did hit it, didn't we? Whoa, look at that. Guys, I drew this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I drew this out 6 weeks ago. 6 weeks ago. That's nuts. Total 2 is not, though. Okay, that's where I wanted to go with the total 2. We haven't hit there yet, so we still got some work to do. Not too bad. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see how we're doing. Shorts are increasing. I really don't know why. They're not increasing that much, though. I would definitely not be shorting this right now. Here it is. Oh, I want to see this. I want to see this just accelerate the upside, and that's it. Yeah, you guys like that, Zane? I'm telling you guys, it's pretty crazy, right? Yep. Hey, good call, CB. CB knows how to make me look good. Yeah, believe it or not, I've been doing this a while, guys. So I sort of surprise myself every once in a while. How's HBAR doing? Yeah, it's still early. So this is something I've seen on HBAR. If you guys can see this. This is a golden pocket. We are currently inside of the golden pocket right now for HBAR. Like that, this is a tremendous buy opportunity. I don't think I will buy more because I'm already so overexposed to HBAR, but my gosh, man, this is a beautiful buy opportunity. XRP target, dude, high. Like, I think $15 is reasonable. 10 to 15 bucks, maybe as high as 25. I think anywhere in there is reasonable. So, no, not yet, man. I'm going to be watching charts all the time anyway, so I will soon, though. I promise you, CB, I will. Yep. Make sure you guys are joining Discord. Like, this is where it's at. Like no joke. Like, no joke. This is where it's at. You guys need to be on Discord if you want to get good information. Where are we at? CQT. See, we still held this level. You guys see this, right? Another 5-minute breaker, another 5-minute candle close inside of this level. So no, this has not been lost yet. You have got to be careful. It's a pretty good sign. Okay, now if we do get above here, like I told you guys, 15-minute breakers right here, okay? Now, the other good thing about this is that if you look at this candle, right? So 15-minute candle, but a very long wick to the downside and a very small increase over there. So you can join Discord for free, okay? And it's in the description of the video. But if you want to get access to all of my alerts and all of my altcoin selections, all that, like everything, full access, then you got to be a Patreon subscriber. That being said, there's still a lot of really good content you can get for being a free member, right? Make that very clear. But I think that for $40 a month, I think it's absolutely worth it. Like, I really, really do. So, I mean, I'm sure I know I have some Patreon members in the chat, so you can ask them and they'll probably tell you. Maybe not. I don't know. They're probably going to say I'm garbage, but whatever. But I think it's a pretty good deal. All right. So, yeah, we definitely have this. I just don't think it's that significant anymore. I think this is our main level. So, yeah, you go right over here to Patreon. You can join. So we got 61 people. Is he good? I mean, I think I'm pretty damn good. That's just me, though. So 2 minutes till this next close, guys. Oh my gosh, I really want to see this thing. I want to see it pick a direction. If it's gonna crash to 35, like, all right, great, whatever. I just want to do it pretty quick so I can go to dinner. Getting hungry. My wife's home, so. Oh, just crash at 35 already. Just do it, so I can get off. So that's a good question though. What does it mean if it has a long wick but a long wick but a small body? Okay, depends how it looks. Go over here. I'm gonna show you guys. So actually, I'm gonna do it like this. Give me a sec. See if you guys can see this. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to my browser source window capture. Oh, this would be great. Paint. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I think you guys can. All right, cool. I'm going to show you guys on Paint what I'm looking at. So you have this right here. All right, you have 2 different candles, okay? You have a red one and a green one, right? All right, think about what this means, right? Oh, all right, whatever, that's fine. There you go. So this is what it looks like, right? So this is going to be a hanging man. I think I've heard that before. I call it a bullish hammer candle. Okay, bullish hammer candle. What that means is that you got to think of the psychology of it, right? So that means that you have the open, which would be way down here, open and close, right? So you have the open down here, you have the close, right? And then over here you have the open. Over here you have the close, right? How's my chart doing? Okay, we're still fine. I'm watching the chart as well, I promise, guys. So that's what that means. The green or the red just means, is it opening high? Is it currently lower? Is the current price or the close lower than the open, which is red, or is the close higher than the open, which is green? That's all that means, right? But these candles essentially mean the exact same. What this means is that the bears push this price all the way down here, right? They pushed it all the way down here, but the bulls stepped in and fought back and pushed it all the way back up here, okay? So think about this. They pushed it all the way down, but the bulls stepped up and pushed it all the way back up, right? So do you think this would be a bullish sign or a bearish sign if the bears pushed it down, but the bulls were able to push it right back to the top side, right? Would that be bullish or bearish? What do you guys think? If they were able to push it all the way back up. Bullish, right? Both these are bullish. Yes, I agree. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flip. Boom, like this, okay? So now think of it this way. This means the bulls are able to push it all the way up here, but the bears push it all the way back down, okay? So this is going to be a bearish candle, right? This is a bearish candle. So let's go back over here and see if we have any that have been established. I think it should have minimized it, right? Oh, it's still there. That sucks. All right, cool. Okay, cool. Got it. So as you guys can see, we didn't actually get it. Okay, we didn't get the close we were looking for. Okay. But right here, perfect example. Right here, see that? So this is called a bearish hammer or an inverted hammer, right? So that means the bulls push it all the way up, but the bears fought it all the way back down. So because of that, what happened to the price? It dropped, right? Because you have this candle that closed bearishly. Not only that, when you have two candles like that together that both have long wicks, those are called tweezer candles. Okay, and tweezer candles, the combination of them is also very bearish. Now the thing is though, this is on a high time frame or a very low time frame, so it really mean much. That's fine. That's fine. This is totally okay, right? So here's the important thing. I want you guys to take notice of this as well. When you have a corrective, or I'm sorry, when you have a channel, it's not crashing. What are you talking about, man? When you have a channel like this that's formed, this is actually what's called a corrective structure, okay? When you have an impulsive movement, which is what this looks like, this is impulsive. So an impulse follows by a corrective structure usually leads to another impulse. Hey, thanks, CB. I appreciate it, buddy. Have a good one, dude, all right? So, yeah, this actually does look pretty healthy. We're currently resting on this major support level. If we lose that, we're going down to 618. Now, if we lose that, you know, we have some problems, right? As long as we stay inside of this range, I'm fine. Totally happy right now. Any lower than that, we got some issues, right? But right now, I'm happy with it. Bulls take the stairs. Bears jump out the window. That's right, Nico. You know it, buddy. You freaking know it. So, yeah. Man, come on. I want to see some action. That's what I really want to see. I want to see it bust. We want to see it go to the upside of this channel and just bust out, right? Because channels are corrective structures. And it looks like it's creating a channel on a very low time frame. I think it's fair. I think it is making a channel. And the interaction with the midline also looks pretty good. We have a breaker right here. This is the opportunity for it to bust to the upside. If it's going to do it, it needs to happen really soon. Oh, shit. My bad. Hey, have a good one. Have a good one, Chris. My bad, dude. I totally missed that. My bad. Well, they're also too scared to sell as well, man. Look, this volume is abysmal. There's no one buying or selling. Everyone's waiting. The only clear volume we've had so far is an increase. This is the clear volume. Yeah, there's a damn good chance. Yes, there is a clear chance of us holding the zone. Doesn't have to. I like the channel, though. That's a good question. Let's look it up. I'm actually really curious. I don't know. I'm assuming it's really low. It's 27. Okay, fear. Not extreme fear, but we definitely are in fear. How long have I been trading? I've been trading for 5 years. I want to say 5 years. All right, busting the downside. Okay. So if we lose this, which we have not lost it yet, right? This is going to be a 5-minute level. If we lost this, the next level we're testing is 618. And this is going to be the area where we have our most pop to the upside. Okay? This is the highest chance of success right here. Like this gold. Why is it gold? For the golden pocket, right? Golden pocket, must hold. See, we're all right, guys. We're okay. We're okay. Remember, this is the golden pocket too. We're still okay. Even if we fall through this, we still have this level right here. However, I have a sneaking suspicion that we are going to be able to bust out of this channel because so far we've held it so well. We've held it really well, so I'm not really concerned yet. Not concerned. It's not great, but I'm not really concerned yet. I love how we got this, though. Oh, man. Yeah, we're just waiting, guys. Below golden pocket. No other breakers have been established, which is good. Means we don't have any clear resistance above. What do you think about moon cycles? Man, I don't know, man. It's crazy. I don't... At this point, I'll take what I get, man. That is pretty nuts, though. Like, it's absolutely insane. I'm not into astrology and all that crap, but man, it's nuts. Yeah, September is a very bearish month. Always has been for crypto. So, I don't know, man. Who knows? I know that everyone's impacted by the moon in some capacity and yada yada yada. So who knows, man? I know what I do know. I do know that these trading techniques that I do are very effective. So yeah, that's what I focus on. I just focus on the trading techniques that I use because they work pretty well. I have a lot of success with them. All right, channel, I want you to hold. Okay, it looks like we're starting to break down from the channel just a little bit. We have 46 seconds before we lose it. So this is now a resistance. So just notice this. No resistance. I want to close back into here. I want this 5-minute candle to close back in here. Let's do it. Oh, man. Is Doge collapsing? I hope so. I hate that damn dog. All right, we have officially lost this now. This is now going to be a resistance, which means our next support is going to be right here. Okay, but we're still inside this channel. This channel is still moving. All right, this channel is still holding up, and channels are corrective structures. That's the important thing. You might, man. I mean, personally, I think that right now is already really cheap XRP. That being said, we could go lower. But if you're not already exposed to crypto, though, I think you're really missing out on something. So, but you might get a better deal. We'll see. I want to see just a massive FU candle just rip through this sucker. If we lose golden pocket, I will see you guys yeah, if we lose golden pocket, I will see you guys right here. $36 to $38. I will see you guys here. Okay. Why? Because this is a major support level, which will hold if we get there, which I don't think we will. This is a major support level. And also you have, yeah, this is just a major support level right there. 36 to 38,000. If we lose that golden pocket, we're going to drop down there. Is CVX increasing? Son of a bitch. Hell yeah. What else is going on? Anything else going to cut the market? Let's see. Pretty consistent. ETN still holding off really nicely. Theta, US, XRP is doing okay. Total 2 is still doing fine, or the total chart still doing okay. Let's go back over here to Bitcoin. All right, here's our golden pocket test, guys. This is that important. Double bottoms are actually very rare, so I don't think that's a legitimate possibility. Okay, so we're below the channel, which isn't necessarily uncommon to drop below it and then pop back into it. So this is a major level of support, though. Do not underestimate the golden pocket. Okay, do not underestimate it. Okay, they're about to get a test, though. This is a major, major, major test. All right, 618. Almost. Almost. Just tap it. Give me the tap. There's a tap. Okay, we got the tap. Golden pocket retrace. There we are. We are in the golden pocket right now. We are inside of the golden pocket. This is a must hold, guys. This is not hold. It's going to get violent. I am bullish on literally everything as long as this holds. Everything. It doesn't even matter what it is. Yeah. We just got an hourly close. Okay. There's our reaction. Okay. Like I told you guys, there's a reaction. Golden pocket is that important. I promise you guys it is. Okay, now we're retesting the bottom side of the channel. This will also provide resistance. The bottom of the channel also provides resistance. Okay, we're back inside of it. It's a really good sign. Come on, get inside there. Come on, pop, 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 pop. Pop inside of the channel. Let's go. It's all right. Golden pocket still holding. It's all right. Whew. I know, right? Bitcoin drags out suspense. Yes, it does. It's exactly what it's doing. It's just torturing us. That's all it's doing, just torturing us. Remember, guys, this right here is the most optimal level for a retracement. Right in here. Golden pocket. Come on. Ooh, baby. Let's do this. I'm telling you, it does, isn't it? It's like watching sports. You have the Bulls and the Bears, two teams duking it out all the time. The Bulls and Bears just fighting, right? And I assure you, I switch teams a lot. So, I love being a bear. I've been a bear for most of my trading career, but I actually don't really feel comfortable being a bull right now. It feels weird. That being said, that's actually really funny. Watching both Chicago. That's Bulls and the Bears. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Chicago Bears, Chicago Bulls. That's actually really, really funny. My gosh. All right. It's holding up so well so far, right? We're back in the channel, barely. I want to see it get more into the channel. And we can really start accelerating. Okay, we're now back out of the channel. I feel like a commentator. You guys know my levels. Like, this is all we're doing right now. Let's look at the other indicators. Anything else going on? DXY is still stagnant. It's actually dropping. That's a good sign, actually. Shorts are decreasing. Longs are also decreasing. I don't want to see that. Total 2. Lost that. Okay. Total charts looks okay. Yeah, back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most important chart, guys. Like, it doesn't really make sense to look around anywhere else. Right now, this is the most important chart. They're fighting back and forth. This is it, guys. And you're getting banned. Yeah, definitely don't click on whatever the fucking link this guy wants. I mean, that's fine, though. I mean, I'm okay with him. I don't ban people very often, but whatever. Remove. Come on, CB. Don't be timing out him. Ban his ass, man. Just ban him. Makes it easy. I don't think we're going to be able to recover him. I think he's pretty much done. I know, right? Where are all the hot girls? All right, well. God, we're just struggling right here at the 618, guys. This is like this is the 618. This is the region where we're going to have the most resistance on this chart. Swing low right there. Well, I mean, so technically the swing low will also act as a resistance level or a support level. Technically will. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there as well. You should. Well, CB, if I had a ban hammer to give you, I would. I don't know how to do any of that. I mean, how long can it? It can sit there a long time. That being said, I would like for it to accelerate upwards. So here's the thing, right? So we're either going to be in this golden pocket or we're going to be in this channel, right? Being in the channel is actually very bullish. Being in the golden pocket is not necessarily bullish, right? So you want to see above here and also above here. You can't do both over here. You can't be in the golden pocket and not inside the channel at this point. At what point do I feel comfortable being in alts? Right up here. If we get a daily close above 44.5, that's my level. Screw that, man. Daniel, I don't want to wait for 5 years. I want money now. So here's the deal, man. Oh, I thought you were gone, dude. Remove. How do I report? I don't know how to get rid of this dude. How do I get rid of you? Report, remove. Hide user. I don't want to hide him. I want him gone. I don't know. All right, hey, we're back inside the golden. We're back inside of here, right? So here's the thing, man. I am not a permabull, okay? I'm not always bullish. I'm actually bearish a lot, right? And I like to make money on the bulls. I like to make money on uptrends and downtrends. So while you're holding for 5 years, I will be making money on all of these chops and movements. So right now, I'm a bull because we're on high time frame support. But you come back to me in like a month or two, I'll probably be a bear, right? Because I make money both directions. So now I'm good, man. I want to make money both ways. So, yeah. I want my money now. Get back inside there. Damn, this is ridiculous. What's going on Twitter? Anything important? Moon cycles. What is it? Is it ready? Is it time yet? It is time for the moon cycle, right? Like this is actually a new it is a new moon, right? So I hope I say this right. Is it lemon or Lyman? Whatever it is, either way, I do not trade in leverage positions. All I trade are in spot. And so yes, I have a ton of spot. A ton of spot. So because of that, yes, I'm in trades all the time. So what I do though is I'm very big at buying at support and selling at resistance, right? Or buying into strength and selling at shows of weakness. Those are the things that I do. Well, this looks good. I like this movement. I want to see some volume, but I like this overall interaction. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I like this. 5 minutes left. Volume is decent. Want to see some more volume. We're back inside the channel. We're building strength. This looks good. If we pop out of this channel, it's going to go pretty damn parabolically, guys. This looks really good. How many likes we got? Let's see. Ooh, baby, 107. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Ooh, thank you so much, y'all. I appreciate it. All right, back over here. Nice. Oh, we're accelerating. We're accelerating. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I feel like, what does that Goku mean? The spirit bomb? GIF. Yeah, give me your energy, right? Give me the energy. I need energy for my spirit bomb. Come on, let's do it, guys. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. We're back into our resistance levels, right? We know this is our major resistance levels. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. We're back to our resistance levels, okay? I'm going to say this is no longer resistance. I haven't really updated this very well. I'm going to go ahead and say this is no longer resistance. My primary resistance right now is right here. And that's really it because it's the top side of the channel. Isn't that pretty cool though? Golden pocket held. You guys see that? It's this whole technical analysis stuff's pretty neat, huh? You guys can see how the interaction works, how the channels, all that stuff. Guys, I did a video on the golden pocket a few days ago. Like, you guys have got to watch that Fibonacci retracement video. It's going to blow your mind. I'm telling you guys, it's nuts. 1 second. So if you go over here to videos, go over here to, where's it at? Where's that? Right here. Free high success trading tool. Free and easy to use tool. 6 days ago. 250 views. I got no views on it because it's something that teaches people how to trade, and no one really likes being taught how to trade. They just like making money. And that's the thing that will make you successful, is if you actually go out and do the research and learn how to trade, you'll be so successful, guys. Like, I can tell you guys what to trade and stuff, but like, that's not the important thing, right? You need to know how to do all this so that you can make your own analysis and like actually get these golden pockets, right? Or know that this is a channel and how we're about to break out of the top side of the channel. Now there's a resistance, right? You need to know this stuff so you guys can make these awesome plays and not be selling right here at the golden pocket, and instead wait for this to bust the upside like it wants to do. Let's make it happen, right? We want to see this thing bust the upside, right? And once we do, this thing's going to just shoot up like a damn rocket, and then we're going to screw all the bears, right? Because today I'm not a bear. Check me in like, a couple months, I'll be a bear again. But right now I'm a bull. And it's time for bulls to break out of this sucker. Come on. Told you guys, resistance right here. We're so close. Golden pocket held, back in the channel. Popping the upside, parabolic movement, looks really good, right? Needs some more volume to pop in as well. Then our next level is right here. Get above here, we're going right there. Come on. That's right, come on. We're so close, guys. We're so close. Pop the upside. Oh my God, is that RTO? Is that RTO? No, that's not RTO. It can't be RTO. Guys, RTO is my brother, man. Like no kidding. He is actually my brother. He's a really famous League of Legends streamer. So, yeah, you all should definitely follow him as well. What? I didn't know Wes was going to stop in here. My boy, my brother, man. It's awesome, man. There he is, man. The legend, RTO, the Renekton streamer. Even though Renekton's a dog shit champion, he still makes it work. You're trying to learn. Shut the hell up, man. That's stupid. Oh, man. I made my brother a lot of money by trading. It's fun. So, yep. Is he Tyler 1? No, man. Tyler 1 is so much better. All right, we're starting, like, guys, I told you guys, this right here is our level right here, right? We have 382. We have the breaker right here. We have 382, the breaker, the channel. Like, yeah. Oh my God. I just want to real talk though, my brother does know Tyler 1. Like, they have had beef in the past. Like, he's actually that good. So, like, no kidding. So my brother's had a lot of conversations and all that good stuff, and he's got videos on his channel where he's actually like beating and carrying Tyler 1, like, legitimately. So he's actually really good. Wait. So he's a bit of a beast, if you know what I mean. No, that's solo Renekton only, and he's garbage, man. Solo Renekton only is garbage. My brother's so much better, man. It's not even funny. My brother's actually like challenger. Solo Renekton only is like what, like diamond or something? Like, he's garbage. Nah, bro. SRO sucks. Come on, what is going on? So yeah, like right here, this is our major levels, guys. Like right here and right here. Once you get above there, like, it's about to just pop it upside. Oh, man. Come on. I know, right? What W are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about, man. What is going on, man? This is ridiculous. Just bust the upside. I know you want to do it. All right, so this channel has been established. Now, This center line of the channel is also a support or resistance. It's not as strong, but especially on a larger larger time frames, it's actually a very strong resistance. So on this very low chart, it's probably not going to mean much, but golden pocket, you guys can see the importance of that. You guys can see how the 382 acted as a pretty decent support for a little while. We busted down. The previous swing low, that should also act as a support level. This level that was a support will now act as resistance, and so will this one. So we have this level as a resistance. This is a resistance, which is a 15-minute breaker, right? 15-minute breaker acts resistance, and this is an hour level resistance level. Now this up here is the next one. This is a daily level, okay? Get a daily close above here, this thing's done. All right, like this is going to completely accelerate and blow people's minds. But we got time to get there, right? We got a ways. So one step at a time. So the important thing is that right now the golden pocket's held, which is good, but we have more work to do. So that's the important thing. All right. I don't know, man. This is ridiculous. What we got? HBAR. Yep. HBAR is looking good. Really want to see it accelerate. I don't want to see it come back down again. That's not really what I'm looking for. Come on. It's just frustrating. I hate trading low time frames. I usually trade high time frames, but these are moments where you just got to. All right, golden pocket's being retested again. 618. Let's agree at 27. Okay. Now, something else to take notice on, all right? We are currently 40 minutes away from the weekly close. Weekly closes are usually very violent and they're very heavily contested. So I do expect a mass increase in volatility around the I do expect a lot of volatility around the weekly close. Just be aware of that. So we'll see what happens. Now, hopefully this holds, the golden pocket holds. Hopefully, if it doesn't hold, the previous swing low will hold, which is what we saw. I'm gonna zoom out real quick and show you guys this. Okay, if you go over here, previous swing low, okay, swing low, drop below, come back up here, and you guys can see how the previous swing low once again acted as support. That might happen here. Okay, I mean, it's way too early to tell, but that's also a possibility as well. So if we were to lose a golden pocket, we're not necessarily done. It would not be good. Okay, I would not be happy about that, but it's okay because we still have the previous swing low. Now, I prefer if this thing just holds and we accelerate to the upside, we pop the upside, we don't have to worry about it no more, right? But we'll see. Oh, I'm sorry, not weekly, daily. Daily close, my bad. Daily close. I'm losing my mind. And of course, full moon. That's apparently a thing tonight, right? When is the full moon? September 20th. So yes, it's already happening. Cool. Full moon happened yesterday. So far, it's not really working out too well. So yeah, full moon needs to step his ass in gear, right? Apparently that's a thing now. So I don't know. Well, whatever. I guess the full moon's now like the indicator. Well, it's here, so we need some acceleration of the upside now. Don't like it when it comes back in here. This is the stressful part right here. Yep. Yeah, daily close is universal. So Everyone's is across the board even for all of crypto, and it happens in 39 minutes. Go Team Reds. What? No. I am very overexposed. I do not want Team Reds to win. What's going on? Anything else going on in crypto? Let's see. Nothing. All right, cool. Nothing serious is happening right now, so we'll see. So here's the deal. I don't think we'll stop at 38 if we do fall. I think we'll go all the way down here. Well, I guess 38 technically. 36 to 38. The reason why, this is the golden pocket of the entire movement. Okay? So if this loses, if this fails, I think our next level, and will be a very solid level, will be the golden pocket of the entire region. You guys can see how important the golden pocket is right now in low time frames, right? So imagine how important it would be right here on this entire retracement. Very, 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 very important level. So, yeah, 38,000 is possible, but I think that the key level is going to be all the way down to 36. So we'll see. I would just prefer if we didn't have to worry about that and it just holds right here. That's what I want to see. So, but that's where we're at. And I really want to have some confirmation here so I can end the stream because my wife's, you know, here and I want to spend time with her. So, but I also don't want to end the stream yet because we don't have any confirmation yet. And I told you guys I popped a bottle of wine. I haven't done it yet because we don't have confirmation and we're still butt puckering. Gosh, this is crazy. Well, while you're here, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hope you guys like the content. You guys see how this all works and make sure to, oh, also hit that notification bell. I don't talk about it like ever, but there's a notification bell on your screen. Go ahead and hit that because you'll be notified when I go live or release a video, and that's really, really cool. So, yeah, I want to try to help you guys, teach you how to trade and not just like tell you what the price is going to be, right? I like to teach you guys how to trade, and that's very important. So low volume on the drop. Yeah, I agree. Low volume on the drop. This right here is low volume. Okay. Low volume on a decreasing movement inside of a channel is corrective. This is actually a bullish channel, believe it or not. So channels downward are generally bullish as long as they have low volume like they do so far. Now, when I say usually, because you can't always just make general assumptions on really anything, right? All right, so regarding stop losses, hey, Tim, I want you to watch this video, okay? I made a video describing it. If you go over here to playlist, let me view full, okay, perfect. This is my playlist right here, right? So I have a ton of videos in here that will teach you how to trade, right? So stop losses are gone over, I believe in the definitely 1 and 2, video 1 and 2 go over stop losses. All right, so definitely watch those videos. And I call them essential videos because they are essential. They really help you mitigate your risk and understand how to cut your losses and all that stuff. So it's very, very important. Tariq says the next 3 months will be bullish. Possibly. Time frame analysis is actually very, very hard. So I don't recommend it usually to try to do time frame analysis. So instead, just focus on waiting for signs of weakness, and then you can go ahead and bail. So, yep, I wait for signs of weakness. And right now, I still don't think we're necessarily in a sign of weakness. I think it's still the corrective structure. And like I've said for a very long time, you guys can go to my videos and watch. My indicators for saying, hey, we actually have bearishness is a loss of this level right here. Okay. This right here is my level, my line in the sand. Okay. Right now, I'm cool with it. This is all okay. We lose this right here. Yeah, we got some problems. But right now, I'm okay. Right. And that's my overall thoughts right now, guys. So I think we're still fine. I don't want to see it drop down here, but I think it's very possible. Well, we're starting to push up a little bit. I love blockchain backer. I do. I didn't even know who he was. My buddy Nico actually showed me who he was, and I watch like all of his videos now. I'm a huge fan. So yeah, I'm a really big fan of him. I love his style. I didn't know who he was, and we actually end up using a lot of the same indicators and everything else. So it's really interesting. So I love watching him. So yeah, he focuses on news a lot. I don't. I focus on charts only. But yeah, I think his style makes a lot of sense. I like it a lot. So yeah. ETF will be delayed or postponed. I have no clue. So Martin, I'm gonna tell you, or no, not Martin, Zane, I'm gonna blow your mind. I've been trading for 5 years, and I am probably one of the stupidest people you will meet in this industry when it comes to overall fundamental things about crypto. Okay. I intentionally only look at charts. Okay. I only look at charts and what they tell me. I don't know what's happening. I don't care what's happening. All I care about is what the indicators tell me, and that's it. Now, the reason why I do that is because it keeps me entirely unbiased, and it lets me cut positions if they're not looking good, right? But if you have this like idea of what Bitcoin should be and the fundamentals and how great C98 is, or comp or whatever, right? All these coins and how amazing they are, you are going to be subconsciously biased and will not cut a position when you should, right? So you're going to intentionally hold on to that position a lot longer than you should, simply because you have a bias about that coin. So yeah, if you completely ignore all fundamentals and all news and just focus on the charts alone, you will be so much more successful, right? Like this right here. Why did I buy here? Was there some news reason or fundamental reason or any of that stuff? No, not at all. I saw a swing low. I saw this breaker, so I bought here. That's it, right? That's all I focus on, right? And I'm very successful because of it. So I definitely recommend that to everyone. And that's how I do with it. Double bottom. Those are actually very rare. You don't see very many double bottoms. What you usually see are what's called sweeps. So there's not a double bottom. There's a sweep, right? You have a swing low, you have a sweep. And I explained in detail at the beginning of the stream as to why this sweep is such a successful play and why they do them. They're very, very important to understand. Yeah. Well, Matthew, I guess I disagree. I mean, we and you cannot disagree more on that. I want to tell you, brother. So, that's fine. I don't know, man. That's just how I've always traded. I've been pretty successful doing it. So, that's it. Like, I literally have no idea what a lot of these coins do. I don't know anything about them, but I trade them. I own... How many do I own? Let's see. I own active holdings. I own all of these coins. And the only ones that I know what they do are HBAR and XRP. All the other ones, no clue. No clue. That's fine, right? Trained for 5 years. I intentionally keep myself out of all the white papers and all that, just so that I can remain entirely unbiased. So whenever a chart looks like crap, I can sell. I know, man. It's a crazy concept. A lot of people get really pissed about it, but it works for me. So. No, actually, most of my positions are swing positions. Most of my holdings I've held for over 2 years. Most of my positions have. Like my average entry price for ADA is 8 cents. My average entry price for Doge is, I think it's like 3 or 4 tenths of a penny. Average entry price for, God, E and J was like a couple pennies, I think. I have a lot of mine that are like really, 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 and all I did is I bought them because they had solid retracements after an impulse. That's all I did. And this is way back in 2018 when I bought these coins. So I've held them for 3 years. So, yep. It's awesome, man. It's cool. Cool. I know there are a lot of cryptos that are really, really awesome. And that's awesome. It's great. I don't care. Telling you guys. I know. I get it. Oh, I bought Sol at I bought Sol at $5 and $35. I made a video about Sol at $35. And I sold Sol at $185. And you want to know why I sold Sol? You want to know why? Right here. Go back over here. Why did I sell Sol? Because Sol showed weakness. Right? Clear show of weakness. Then it came back up here and retested it. So guess what I did? I sold right here at $1.94, my Sol position. What is Sol at now? Let's see, $1.94, 123. Interesting, right? Crazy, right? You can hold on to Sol as long as you want, but I'm going to sell Sol close to the top because I don't care. All right, it's still doing this thing. I'm going to show you this real quick. All right. I'm going to show you. I'm going to blow your mind with some of these coins. All right. So here's a look at. Okay. Sol, right? Oh, man. It's a crazy coin, right? All right. Over here. Why did I buy it so cheap? Want to know why? Look at this. Why did I buy it at $5? Broke above previous highs. Right around here. Right? You guys see this? Why did I break? Got above previous highs. That's why I started buying in. Why did I buy in at $35? Well, because, come over here. Oh, wrong one. Over here. Look what we got. Is that a golden pocket retracement? Is that a golden pocket retracement on Sol? This massive coin increased from $1 to $58 and came back down here. Is that a golden pocket retracement? Is that a bullish movement after it? So what do you guys think I bought around here? Right? Was it because I believe in the fundamentals? No. Was I wrong? No. Right? And why did I sell up here why did I sell way up here? Because we had to show weakness, right? Came back up here, lost this level, came back up here, resold. I didn't sell at $2.16, but I sold right here at $1.94. Why did I sell there? Because I have no attachment to this coin. And because it was a show of weakness and a bearish retest. Nailed it. There you go. I'm telling you guys, this stuff works. I would not stress about the fundamentals, guys. Focus on the charts. You will be successful and nothing else. All right, where are we at? Great. Oh, 702 just got tagged. 702 just got tagged. This is a very important level once again. That's it. Yeah, Tim, it's a lot of art form, man, honestly. On like picking which indicator to use, it's a combination of all. You need what's called confluence. So what that means is you want to have confluence. Like right now, we're inside this channel. We have low volume. We have a clear impulsive movement. We have a clear corrective structure into the golden pocket. All of those things combine to tell us that this looks bullish. Not only that, on the higher time frame, we also have a clear swing low, which was a sweep of this level. Now, if we close the daily above here, that would confirm the swing low as a retracement, right? Or not a retracement. We would confirm the swing low with a close, which would also be a very nice indicator. So as long as we close today in 24 minutes above this swing low, I'm pretty dang happy, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Now, personally, obviously, I want to see it get fell above there, but that's how I do it, man. Yeah, 702. So, Alex, true story, okay? True story, like I told you guys. I told you how I've been following blockchain backer, right? I've never used 702 in my life. Never have. I always use the 0.618 to 0.65 as my golden pocket, and I've actually utilized the 702 in most of my assessments. Just following his advice and really using it, I've had a ton of success with the 702. So, yeah, 702 is amazing, man. I really do like it. Oh my God, I'm getting hungry. My gosh. 137 people? Damn, this is impressive. Hey, go ahead and make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, click the bell, do all that good stuff, all right? So, you guys are starting to learn how I operate and all that good stuff, and this is how I trade, guys. This is it. I haven't day traded in a long time. That's what I'm doing right now, essentially. But I used to do it quite a bit. What are you talking about, man? This is amazing price action. We are currently inside of the golden pocket at the potential bottom of the entire structure. If we lose this level, I cannot stress to you, if we lose this level, we are going to get a 20% drop across the entire board. Like, how much more action do you possibly need right now? This is like double overtime in football. How can you possibly think this is boring? This is so incredibly important. Like, we're constantly just going back and forth. This is a fight that's happening. All low volume. Everyone's waiting for the moment to step in. Everyone's watching the same charts, waiting for this channel to break out, waiting for this golden pocket to hold, waiting for the daily close. Guys, this is it, man. I'm telling you, this is crazy. If you don't like this, I don't know what to tell you, man. This is the stuff right here. I spent the last 5 years just looking at charts just like this. Yeah, you're football, man. What the hell? Are you talking about like European football or American football? What is your goal now? Do you want to sell at a certain level? I want to sell when the charts look bearish. Just like Sol, right? Just like I showed you guys on Sol. When the charts look bearish, that's when I sell. Come on, baby. I need you to accelerate upwards. Now, I want to show you guys something. Because we have... That's the one as well, isn't it? Is that a 50-minute breaker? Oh, man, it is. Oh, gosh, I missed this. I got distracted talking. This is now... Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Take that back. No, it's not. This is a low time frame resistance. The low time frame resistance. Okay. Yeah, I don't really play soccer, man. I don't really watch it very much. Oh, you saw a tail of an animal? Come here. Oh, he's a mean cat. This is Nile. He's a mean little shit. Yeah, he's mean, so I really shouldn't be holding him because he's going to try to scratch the hell out of me. Yeah. 20 minutes till close. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Okay, so we're not below the 702. We're still inside the channel, still below the 702. We're back above it. This is like how would, right? Vinny knows this, man. I always do animal showcases. I got 4 animals in this house. 2 dogs and 2 cats. I don't know, man. Rivera, we don't know, man. I think that if we lose this right here, 36 to 38,000 is very realistic. This is literally how important this is. I can't stress it enough. Okay, so now we're about to retest the bottom of the channel and the previous swing low. I don't like us being this low, but it's still in a low time frame, so I'm okay with it. Okay, there's the bottom of the channel retested. Oh my gosh. I hate this. Everything about this. Come on, pop the upside, pop the upside, pop the upside. Moment of truth. Yeah, it is. This is a very important moment, guys. Oh, come on. Get above the 702, get above the golden pocket. If we get above this damn channel, it's going to accelerate. I cannot stress it enough. Someone bought a bunch of BTC, and we can see it on the large green candle. I mean, so here's the thing, man. Couldn't he have just sold it up here? He could have. And don't think this is a single person buying, right? There's a lot of people. And also there's a lot of different charts all over the place, right? Different exchanges. So all we're looking at is the volume on one single exchange. So, and everyone plays by, you know, he may have went ahead and picked up a big position at a good price. He may be holding it. It may be throwing into his hard wallet. We don't know yet. We don't know the intentions of him. And also, like, 1,000 Bitcoin may not be much to them. I don't know. All right. Okay, this is good. God. This game. Crypto, man. Talk about the market maker? What do you mean? What do you mean market maker? Like, what about him? Yeah, so like we don't know their intentions, right? We don't know why they bought it. Maybe they might have dumped on a different exchange. Maybe they put it into cold wallet. Maybe they're just accumulating. Maybe they think this is a good opportunity to just pack their bags for the next bull run, right? We don't know. We just don't know their intentions. So yeah, I do. Tariq, I do believe we're still in a bull run. My bias will change bearish. Okay, it's very clear. My bias will change bearish if we lose this level on the weekly. Okay, this breaker right here. If we lose this breaker, I will turn bearish. Okay. Also, if you guys are not in my Discord server, you guys are severely missing out because I update this thing all the time. It's really, really cool community. And yeah, I update you guys all the time. So definitely be in there. Because yeah, you'll know what's going on all the time. All right, this doesn't look good. Damn it. All right. Oh man, I guess we're still fine. It's just... All right. Please pick a freaking direction. I'm so done. All right. Yeah, I don't trade leverage anymore. All I trade is spot. Because I like owning all of my coins. I don't like being able to be messed around with whale fuck games. So, yeah, I just trade spot and that's it. But over the last few years, I've been able to build up one hell of a position, doing trading and buying and selling and all that stuff. So because of that, I've done really good. So I have plenty of Bitcoin, or I have plenty of crypto. Now, one thing to take notice on though, look at this. I'm gonna blow your mind. Where's it at? Active holdings, right here. Where's Bitcoin at? I'm gonna help you. It's not. I actually don't trade Bitcoin. I'm one of the very, very few people in the world that does not trade Bitcoin, okay? So whenever I trade, I use altcoins because essentially this is trading leverage, okay? So because these things will move quicker and more aggressively than Bitcoin, right? So whenever you trade altcoins, you are trading leverage, essentially. So that's how I do it. I love the thrill. It's great. So very dangerous. But I've had a lot of success, so. Oh, man. This is nuts. Oh, that was a nice little increase. There's a lot of volatility happening right now on this exchange. Yeah, that was a nice little increase there. Nice test pump. I know it's crazy. I'm trading on such long time or slow time frames, but yeah. Not even close to a bottom. Wait and see. Well, we'll see. I mean, I may be with you, man. Like I told everybody, when you're a trader, you're smart. You trade both directions, right? You always want to have your plans set for both ways. Well, this looks pretty good. Can we please break out of this damn channel? I'd really, really, really appreciate it. It'd be great. I do trade XRP. XRP is my second largest holding, right behind HBAR. I've held XRP for a very long time. I think my average entry on XRP is around 16, 18 cents, around there. I think that's what it was. Average entry on HBAR is around 6 cents. So all right. Y'all know what's going on. I'm not going to question you guys' intelligence, right? What you guys going to do right now, okay? Like, subscribe, bell. Click all three of those things, right? Then go down and join the Discord, okay? Join the Discord. This is very, very, very important, okay? I will update you guys on what's going on Discord, okay? I have got to get some food, and my wife is home, and I want to say hi to her at the bare minimum, right? We're at a very critical level. If you guys leave and don't go Discord, you will not know what's going on, and you may be lost, right? So make sure you go on Discord, and I will keep you guys up to date, okay? And yeah, if you guys want to become donors and become Patreon members, you'll get even extra information, and you'll get all my altcoin plays, all that stuff, which I update all the time, right? That's what I'm going to do because I have got to get off. Daily close in 11 minutes. It's that important. Seriously, this is very, very, very critical. So, very, very important, guys. I really do appreciate you guys being on. I've never had anywhere near this many viewers on there, so I really do appreciate you guys joining. But I'm gonna have to go ahead and get off. That's why I stayed on a little longer than I was expecting to. But it's just we're waiting, guys. We don't have a decision yet. We're that close. All right, I'll let you guys go. Have a fantastic night, and I will see you guys in the next video. Like always, you guys know what I say.